So Kitty's getting a little bell. Now this bell they copied from the oil industry. When you wear a lanyard around your neck in case it gets caught, see it can split open so the cat doesn't get strangled. I wouldn't wear it. I don't even think we need it. Because
why not?
Because we always know where they are.
It looks cute.
He's got a routine now.
No, he doesn't mind it. If he takes this one off, I would know he doesn't want it.
He can't take it off. How's he gonna take it off?
Like he took off the other one.
They ate all the food and they drank all the water and I felt.
They're gonna go poop downstairs and I'm gonna kill someone tonight.
They sleep on the desk, or they sleep in the basket. The gray one hides behind this desk, and when they want to play, they go to the boxes.
When the boxes are gone, then what?
Then they'll find.
How would we know where they are?
Well, there's not much more places to hide. Behind the couch.
I don't think he minds it. If he
or
did,
in the
then he would have
bedroom.
asked. Do you want to put it on the gray one?
No, I don't want to put it on either of them.
Why?
What does YouTube think?
People put them on their pets. It's not like.
What do the retards on YouTube think?
Oh my gosh.
Do you have a cat?
You're filming
Sorry.
this whole thing?
You're not all retarded, but some of you probably are, based on the comments you post. I don't care.
What, I thought you wanted to be a millionaire.
I am a millionaire.
Because you got cats, that's why. Let's not post this on there because people are gonna find them there.
Somewhere.
Come to where we are.
Why?
Come to our house.
For what? To play with the cats? We'll charge $1.
And $1 too little.
Well,
He doesn't mind.